I'm just going to pour the whole thing in it. I really don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Can you see all of that? Like, what? No, it's a lot. It's a lot. Girl, this better come out cute. The moment of truth. Are my twists dry? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to do something real fun. Okay, so I asked on Instagram a couple days ago, like, girl, give me your best hair advice ever. Like, give me your best hair tip. Let me know what your favorite natural hair products are. Let me know which methods you like to do on your natural hair and stuff. So I asked that on Instagram. Okay, some of the tips that I got from my followers on Instagram were like, okay, yeah, I do the same. But then there were those other people that I was like, okay, I see you, girl. Like, I don't do that on my natural hair, but if you say it works, then I need to try it out. So I'm gonna follow the advice from some people that they swear by that works, and I want to test it out. Like, I want to learn from you guys too. You should like switch things up, like discover new things, new tricks, new products, new methods. And yeah, that's why I asked that to my followers. So let's start by pre-pooing. A lot of people were sending me like, yeah, I pre-poo. Pre-pooing is the best. It works for my hair. Like, girl, I also pre-poo. But the way I pre-poo is different than some of those other people that pre-poo. Like this girl, Coco Tifro, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. She says, hi from France. Hi girl. I pre-poo by doing a deep conditioning treatment. I pre-poo with oil and water, so I'm a pre-poo with a deep conditioning treatment. So I got the ORS hair mayonnaise. That's what I always use as my deep conditioner. So let me unravel my hair first. Okay, first of all, don't even mind my hair. Before you ask, like, girl, what did you do with your hair? Like, what is up with your hair? Just take it as it is. Just take me as I am. Okay, this is me in my daily life. Once again, I'm doing weird things that I don't even know what I'm doing. I was experimenting a little bit and it turned out, okay, never mind. Just don't mind the hair, okay? I know you feel me. We all have those days. If I would have done my whole head, this would have been a cute braid out for real. Like, you see, braid out would be on point, but no, I gotta experiment. I've seen so many comments like, oh, you're so perfect, your hair is so perfect, but you know, I just want to be real with you guys. Guys, I'm far from perfect. My hair is not perfect. Some of the videos that I have were like hair videos with my hair on its best, in its best shape. So it's not always like that. Okay, I want to be real. I want to be like completely honest with you guys. I don't want to be like the typical YouTuber that is perfect and has everything on point and has everything in order, because I don't. I completely don't. As you can see, I don't. Look at my hair. My hair is like, what did you do with your hair? I don't know. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hands and then on my hair. My hair is stretched right now. My hair is detangled. So yeah, I think the results will be bomb. No? I never tried doing a pre-poo with a deep conditioner. Let me grab some more for the ends because I really want my ends to be on point. If my hair was tangled, doing this with, like doing a pre-poo with a deep conditioner might actually work, because like the ORS hair mayonnaise has a lot of slip. Okay girl, I see you. Yeah, it's kind of like nice. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't always like the consistency of oil. I don't know. Sometimes I just feel like it just sits on my hair and does nothing. It has a lot of slip, but yeah, I know a deep conditioner might have a little bit more slip. But don't get it twisted, like this will not replace your deep conditioning treatment, because you need to deep condition on clean hair. Like I always say this, deep conditioning on dirty hair is not as effective as deep conditioning on clean hair, especially if you have low porosity hair, because if you have low porosity hair, your cuticles are always closed, and also low porosity hair and buildup doesn't go together. So For example, if you have low porosity hair, your cuticles are closed and you have a layer of oil of buildup on top of that hair strand. And if you want to do like a deep conditioning treatment, you apply deep conditioning treatment on top of the buildup, on top of the hair strands, on top of like the cuticle that's closed. The deep conditioner treatment will not penetrate your hair strand. So I just pre-pooed. Normally, she didn't say how she pre-poos and all kind of stuff. She didn't go into detail. I'm just going to do it like I do it. I just leave it on my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour or something like that. And then I just go ahead and shampoo my hair. But let me tell you, the shampoo part, okay. So many people recommended this one thing, this one product that I have to shampoo my hair with, okay. And it's the clay. Curly Girlness says use aloe vera. Okay, I use that every once in a while. And don't be afraid to wash your hair with clay. Mix it with ACV and add some olive oil too, because it can be drying. A lot of people gave a tip from washing your hair with the clay, with bentonite clay, with Rasul clay, mixed with apple cider vinegar. So luckily, okay, I have the Indian healing clay. I use this on my face. I never used this on my hair. I never did a clay wash. I mixed it with some apple cider vinegar. This is like unfiltered apple cider vinegar. We all know this one, okay? I'm not really showing this because I really don't know what the heck I'm doing in here, man. Ooh. The smell. So it's the last bit of olive oil that I have. I'm just going to pour the whole thing in it. I really don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I really don't know. What is this? Okay, so it kind of has like a good consistency. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. So yeah, just going to roll with this. Girl, this better come out cute. Like, this better work. I know, girl, my hair feels pretty dry. My hair feels so dry. Is this going to replace a shampoo? I don't know, but let's find out, okay? But I know that ACV has cleansing properties, so maybe this will work. So she was right. I think this can be pretty drying. I can feel my hair drying right now, and it doesn't really feel like moisturizing or something like that. Why is my hair straight? So while I'm letting this mask dry on my hair, I just looked something up what this does to your hair, and actually, like, where has this been all my life? Bentonite clay is incredibly powerful. It's an ideal clay for cleansing and detoxifying. Okay, so that's good. And it has the ability to remove like all kinds of buildup. Yes, girl, I can't wait to see the results. So I'm gonna let this dry for 20 minutes. Then I'm hopping into the shower and I come back on camera, and then you'll see the results of this shampoo treatment or whatever that everyone claims that is the key to like natural hair. Clay wash is the key to natural hair. Okay, so I just stepped out of the shower. My hair is actually pretty clean. Like, I'm shocked. I don't have any dandruff anymore. I must say I'm shocked by the clay mask on how defined my curls were. Okay, so the bentonite clay wash is definitely something that I need to incorporate in my routine. My hair is feeling really, really nice right now. So thank you to all the people that recommended this to me. Yes, this is definitely a staple. So I'm just going to stretch my hair, and to be honest, I don't want to blow dry my hair because I want to keep my hair as healthy as possible. I want to minimize the heat, so I'm just going to stretch my hair overnight. Yes, this is a 2-day process, okay? I don't like it either, but it is what it is. And I'm going to put a little bit of my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner in my hair because I don't know, I just need moisture. Every time I wet my hair or wash my hair, I just need to put some type of moisturizer in my hair and just put that all over my hair. Tomorrow will be a bun day, not too tight because I don't want to stress my edges. I'm liking the routine so far. I really liked the pre-poo with the deep conditioner. It made my hair very soft and it was very easy to detangle my hair. And yeah, the clay mask, it's it takes a little time to prepare and to apply to your hair, and it is very, very messy, but the results are worth it. And tomorrow I'm going to continue to follow you guys' advice. I'ma see you in a second. Stay tuned. Okay, hey guys, it is actually 2 days later. Okay, I've been so busy the past 2 days, so I've actually been air drying my hair in a bun, so it's kind of stretched. But anyway, you know all the great things that I said about the clay mask? Well, I'll take all my words back. You know, the thing is, it's not the clay mask, it's me. I didn't do the clay mask correctly, okay? You know, when I just came out of the shower, when I just applied the clay mask, I was like, oh my god, yes, my hair is so soft, this and that. But, no, it's a lie. It's a lie. When I touch my hair feels so sticky and I have tons of flakes in my hair. But anyways, that's all my fault, okay? I really think that the clay mask is a really, really good way to cleanse your hair, but I didn't apply the clay on my scalp. I didn't apply it like on every hair strand of my head. And also I put a little bit too much oil in that mixture, I guess, because I wanted to have like a stretched hairstyle so I can begin my twist out, but that's not going to happen, okay? I have to wash my hair again, and I have to blow dry my hair. That was something that I didn't want to do, but now I have to do it anyways, and it's so time consuming, and you know, the whole thing, I have to do it all over again. But I'm going to use a shampoo now. Like, I'm not going to apply the clay on my hair right now. Like, I don't know if it will show up on camera, but can you see all of that? Like, what? And it feels really, really oily. So yeah, that's why I have to wash my hair. So I'm going to do that real quickly and then I will return. Okay, my hair is finally clean. So I actually shampooed my hair twice because your girl is paranoid. Okay, the dandruff kind of freaked me out. Like, no dandruff, no buildup, or whatever that was. I don't even want to know. And by the way, almost forgot. I actually didn't film it because I was too lazy, but a lot of people also recommended to do scalp massages. And actually, I do have a scalp massager. Okay, so this is a scalp massager from Vanity Planet. And a few girls told me like, oh yeah, I do scalp massage on the regular. It helps me so much, this and that. I gave this a try. Like, first, I was so against the scalp massager because I thought that this was bullshit. Like, this claims to promote hair growth and scalp health, offers a relaxing massage, yup, that's true, cleanses braids, weaves, and extensions, and pairs well with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I really don't know why it promotes healthy hair growth. Maybe because you stimulate like the blood flow in your scalp. It feels good on your head, but to me, that's it. This scalp massage thingy actually didn't have any effect on my hair growth, but I didn't use this consistently, so I don't know if I'm the right person to tell you if this works or not, but to me it doesn't really do much. So when I asked on my Instagram like, what methods do you use on your hair, and a girl replied to me like, doing my twist out on stretched hair. I actually never tried that, and that actually makes sense because my hair will be elongated. My hair will be like tangle free because I'm about to blow dry my hair. And also, no drying time? Oh my god, I just realized that. Like, no drying time. Yes, no sleeping with a wet head. Oh gosh, I hate that, sleeping with a wet head. No waking up in the morning and realizing that my twists are still wet. Oh, Lord, baby Jesus, thank you. Thank you, girl, for the tip. She also said like the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner and Eco Styler Gel have become my best styling products. So what I'm about to do before blow drying my hair is I'm going to apply a little bit of this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Just going to apply that all over my hair. By the way, this is not a tutorial. Okay, I'm just doing stuff, random stuff. This is not really how you're supposed to moisturize your hair, okay, girl? Let's just blow dry my hair. I'm not going to do that on camera because it's just way too much like stuff going around, so I'm just going to do that in the bathroom and mind my business. See you in a second. Okay, so I just blow dried my hair. Yeah, I don't know yet how many sections I'm going to do. I'm gonna just do like medium-sized sections. Split the section in two again. Medium-sized section. Yeah, something like this. So I have my Eco Styler olive oil right here, and this is the only styling product that I'm going to use. I'm not going to do like a flat twist or something like that, just a regular twist out, nothing special. How long is this going to take me? I don't even know. Do I want to know? I'm just going to roll my ends for a more defined and even look. So yeah, this is what I'm basically going to do for the rest of my head, but it won't take me that long because, to be honest, I can twist very fast, as you can see. Okay, I'm all done now, and it took me almost an hour. But anyways, my twists are looking very juicy, very healthy. I'll sleep with my satin scarf, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. So actually in a second, okay? Okay, so it is the next day now, and I already got ready. I'm ready to go, but I just need to unravel my hair. Let's see how my twists are. The moment of truth. Are my twists dry? Yeah, okay. They are dry. Okay, they are really dry. They are 100% dry. Yes. Even the ends? Yes. I see you, girl, doing a twist out on stretched hair. Okay, I removed the perm rods. I love unraveling my twists. Like, this is always my favorite part. Wow. Okay. I only separate where my hair wants to separate, okay? I don't force it because forcing it creates unnecessary frizz, and I don't want that because I want this hairstyle to last a couple of days. My hair feels really soft, doesn't feel like dry at all. It's not flaky. So I will incorporate that into my routine. Yeah, let me know what you think. And have you ever done a clay wash, or have you ever done a twist out on stretched hair, or the pre-poo technique that you just saw? Maybe I'll do another video like this, okay, following you guys' advice again. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what is your best hair tip that you can give me that I need to try out, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!